Hello everybody and welcome to this video. So it's another one of these where I show what I've drawn in the last month. Now, before I start I will just say that I've done less than what I normally do this month. It's just that I've been a bit busy, and on top of that there is not 29 days in February, and I want to get these videos out on the 1st of every month. So on top of not being able to film it on the 29th or the 28th for that matter and still get it edited, I need to factor in editing time and filming time, which means that to get this video done for the 1st, even though every month I do film it on the 29th if I can, but to get it out on the 1st I need to film this on the 25th. So I make sure that I have time to edit it due to me not really knowing the schedule, due to it really just when I have time I'll edit, and when I have time is basically not my decision, that's my foster mom's decision. So to make sure I have time to edit it, I'm filming it on the 25th so I can get it out on the 1st, just to make sure. But I have also drawn less than what I normally do, so that's just a quick disclaimer. Anyway, let's start. So let me find where we are. I think we left off at this. I think we left off at that. So, but there's one which I drew previously. I'm not sure if it's been in one of these videos. I think it has, which I just didn't color. So I'm just gonna go back and show it because now I colored it. So now I colored it. So yeah, I named the character. I gave the character a nickname. I chose its species. I chose the language it speaks, and I chose its gender. So say hello to Stila. Stila, nickname. The nickname is the color for purple in Danish because the main color I decided to go with was purple, though there's a blue eye color. Nice. But that's basically it for going back in time. The rest of it is very new. So we start with this. I tried for the first time ever to draw one sitting down. I'm not sure if I think it went too well. I mean, it went okay. It's up to you to decide what you think. It's a Coden again. It's the character of Coden yet again. So, and he is in a cave with red crystals. Does that have something to do with why he is like that? Yes, it does. Now for the next one. Boom, new character again. Say hello to Zizan. That's how you say that. That X makes a... I'm not sure if that's how the letters actually work, but it's meant to be said Zizan. Species, not an animal. Languages, known, can download them all. Yeah, it's a robot. You can read the rest of it if you want to. If you want to. So, oh, and also quickly, just take a look at it. Yeah. Next is not a canine or a wolf or anything in that family or anything close. It's backgrounds, or as they say, backgrounds inspired by my OCs. I tried to draw backgrounds based on my OCs. This one is based on Müller. This one is based on Dakota. This one is based on Coden. This one is based on Cisa. This one is based on Torts. And this one is based on Zizan. So now for the next one, it's a new character again. I have not chosen the name of this one though. Making a lot of new characters. For the next one, it's not finished at all, but I'm gonna show you it anyways. This is gonna look extremely awkward, and I do know that. It just is going to look extremely awkward. But I'm trying to draw another one sitting down, but it looks awful when it's not done. What in the world is that? Yeah, it looks awful, but that's how I drew the other one. Just look. Two long things. Foot. Two long things. There's just no foot there yet. Same process, so it just looks awkward while drawing it. It's meant to be Cisa though, and if you don't remember who Cisa is, go back and watch another episode. If you want to, of course. If you want to. But yeah, that's what I've done because there's nothing else. Nothing else. I said that I drew less this month, so nice. Anyway, see you in the next video, I guess.